What do we do, Jamie? I'm scared. Jonathan, this dream you had, I know what it's from. This guy, he isn't just any dude, right? He's Slender Man. I used to play that game all the time when I was a kid. It used to freak me out like crazy, but I wasn't gonna expect it to be real. Are you sure? Listen, this guy you said you saw in your dreams the other day, he has no face, right? He's really tall and he's watching us.